What is up, guys? So, usually we're waiting until February to see the biggest flagship phones kick off the year. But this time, Xiaomi has officially pulled the trigger. After a month of heavy rumors and leaks, they dropped the bomb on Weibo. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra is officially launching in China on December 25th. Yes, literally on Christmas Day. Early reports teased a December launch, and they weren't kidding. We're getting this beast months ahead of the schedule set by its predecessor, the 15 Ultra. And judging by what they've revealed, especially that new camera system, this might be the holiday gift we didn't know we needed. First, let's talk aesthetics. Xiaomi revealed the rear design, and while it looks very familiar, taking cues from the previous 15 Ultra and even the Honor Magic 8 Pro, there are some subtle, refined changes. We have 3 confirmed colors at launch: the classic black, white, and a brand new option called Starry Green. Now, Xiaomi president Lu Weibing made a specific point about this green variant. He mentioned it incorporates actual mineral particles into the finish. The goal? To create a dazzling starry sky-like finish. It's not just a flat green, it's got texture and depth. There were rumors floating around about a purple variant, but as of right now, no official word. We might see it as a surprise drop during the event, or it might just remain a rumor. In the hand, this thing should feel different too. The corners are noticeably more rounded to improve handling, which is huge for a phone this size. It's rocking an 8.29mm body with segmented volume buttons and a power button situated on the right side. But let's be real, you buy an Ultra for one reason: the camera. And Xiaomi is doubling down here. The rear view confirms 3 dedicated cameras. The star of the show is a 1-inch primary sensor paired with a massive 200MP periscope telephoto lens. Lu Weibing claims this combo is going to allow for incredible night photography. But the real buzzword you need to know this year is LOFIC. That stands for Lateral Overflow Integration Capacitor. It sounds super technical, but here is what it actually does for you. It works at the hardware level to prevent pixel saturation. Essentially, this ensures that when you are shooting in high contrast or low light scenarios, you get accurate light and shadow reproduction without that nasty overexposure. It's basically ultra-high dynamic range baked right into the sensor. We're also anticipating a continuous optical zoom feature. If this holds true, it means high-quality, lossless photos across all zoom ranges, not just at fixed points like 3x or 5x. For anyone who loves detailed zoom shots, this is the feature to watch. Now, powering all this camera tech, we are expecting the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, consistent with the rest of the Xiaomi 17 lineup. But the biggest upgrade might actually be the battery. The previous 15 Ultra had a respectable 5410 mAh cell. The 17 Ultra, it is rumored to pack a massive 6800 mAh battery. That's a huge jump in capacity. Pair that with 100-watt wired fast charging, a small but welcome bump over last year's 90-watt, and you have a device that lasts longer and tops up faster. For those of us outside China, there's no confirmed global date yet, but if history repeats itself, we saw the global launch about a month after China last time. So mark your calendars for January. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.